Welcome to Easy Higher Mathematics.
So, cubical representation of Boolean expressions. For example, we take z is equal to summation 0, 1, 4, 5, 9, 11. So, if the question is in this form of numbers, first we have to find the corresponding values. For that, here total 0, 1, 4, 5, 9, 11. For 3 variables, total 2 into 2 into 2, 8. Starting from 0, we can get the numbers 0 to 7. But here this expression contains 9, 11. So it is greater than 7. So this follows 4 parameters, 4 variables. So we have to write 4 variables. For 4 variables, total 16. 4 variables, total 16. That is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. That is 16. Total 16. Starting from 0, we can get 15 values. For 4 variables, we take first x1, which takes 8 ones and 8 zeros. 8 zeros. And x2, first 4 ones, 4 0, 4 ones, 4 0. Then alternative, double 1, double 0, double 1, double 0, total 16. Then alternative 1 and 0, that also total 16. So if you know the values corresponding to the numbers, don't need to write these things. Otherwise, you write this column and find its corresponding numbers. So how to draw this cube? For 3 variables, x1, x2, x3. That is 4 ones and 4 0, then 2 ones and 2 zeros. Total 8. Your alternative 1 0 1 0, total 8 values. Its corresponding numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So for these 3 variables, we can get a cube. For 4 variables, we can get 2 cubes. So first draw this a single cube. That is because for mathematics students this is familiar. So this is origin. Here x only, so x coordinate remaining 0. Here y, so 0, 1, 0. Here z, that is 0, 0, 1. This is for 3 variables. Now you take this square. This is not rectangle, this square. So add these two. That is 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. Now we take these two. That is 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. Now you take these two. That is 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. 1 plus 1 is equal to 1. Since it is Boolean, 1 plus 1 is equal to 1 only. Now you take these two. That is 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. Then 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. This is the cubic representation for 3 variables. For 4 variables, we have to draw 2 cubes. Then same to the first one. Same to the first one, you mark this code 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. The same order. That is 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, then 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, here 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Same label you give for the second one also. Same label we can give for the second one. That is 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Okay, we finished with the same label. And now, how can we connect this? For connecting, for 4 variables, we need a total 2 power 4, 16, with 16 points. So for this cube contain 8, this cube contain 8. So total 16 points. Now we have to connect. The connecting is, you take the same coordinate. 0, 0, 0, 0. So we can connect this one. Then 1, 0, 0. Now we connected all these things. But the coordinates contain total 3 variables only. So for that, for the first one, for the first cube, you put 0. This is mistake. This is for second one. So there is a mistake. So remain this full 0, 0. First coordinate 0, 0. For the second cube, you put 1. Now we labeled all these cubes. Now come to the question. What's the question? The question is it equal to summation 0, 1, 4, 5, 9, 11. These 0, 1, 4, 5, 9, 11s are minterms. So from this table, we can get the value of corresponding numbers. What is 0? 0 is 0, 0, 0. And 1 is 0, 0, 0, 1. 1 is 0, 0, 0, 1. Then 4 is 0, 1, 0, 0. So from this table, we can take the corresponding values. So that is 0, that is 0, 0, 0, 0. Then 1 is 0, 0, 0, 1. Then 4, it is 4. 4 is here 0, 1, 0, 0. That is 0, 1, 0, 0. Then 4, 5. 5 is 0, 1, 0, 1. 5, 9, 1, 0, 0, 1, 9. 11. That is 1, 0, 1, 1. So these are the required coordinates that is corresponding to the given numbers. Okay, now mark this one. So first one 0, 0, 0, that is this point. Second 0, 0, 1, that is 0, 0, 1 is this one. This 0, 0, 1, that is this one. Now 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. 0, 1, 0, 1. So that is this point. Then fifth one 0, 1, 0, 1. 0, 1. That is fourth one. Okay. So 0, 1, 0, 1. Now ninth. What is ninth? Ninth 1, 0, 0, 1. 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. What is 1? Where is the 1, 0, 0, 1? So that is this one. 1 0 0 1. Last one 1 0 double 1. So that is this one. So now marked this everything. Marked. So you take this square term. This is square term. And there is a link with this. Because for 0, we put x1 bar. Because first one x1, second x2, x3, x4. So x1 bar, x2 bar, x3 bar, x4. Then 1, that is 0, 0, 0, 1, that is x1 bar, x2 bar, x3 bar, that is x4. For 1, we don't put a bar. Then 2, not 2, that is 4, 0, 1, 0, 0, that is x1 bar, x2, then x3 bar, x4. Similarly, we can write the others, that is 5, 0, 1, 0, 0, not 0, that is 1, it is x4. Suppose the question is, in this form, you don't need to draw these columns and these values directly. We can write this to this. Therefore, the given expression is equal to what? Sum of this one, because summation. So, we use sum, that is x1 bar, x2 bar, x3 bar, x4 bar, plus x1 bar, x2 bar, x3 bar, x4, plus x1 bar, x2 and x3 bar, x4 bar, plus x1 bar, x2, x3 bar. Which portion? That is 0, 0, 0, this one. Then 0, 1, 0, 0, that is this coordinate. Then this coordinate 0, 1, 0, 1. Then 0, 0, 0, 1. And this coordinate 1, 0, 0, 1. And 1, 0, double 1. 1, 0, double 1. So that is separately noted here. That is 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, etc. What is the application of this cubical representation? Here total 6 expressions. Total 6 expressions. By using the formula, we can simplify this one. But this is lengthy. If this is lengthy expression, it is not so easy to simplify. So for that, we can use this representation. So you take these points. This is square. So you take the square portion. The square portion is 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. So we can take these 4 points. So that is 0, 0, 0, 1, then 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, and 1, 0, 0, 1, then 1, 0, 1, 1. You take these 2 points. In these 2 points, these 3 coordinates are identical. So the 4th coordinate is 1 and 0. So this can be written as 0, 0, 0, x. What is the meaning of x? X takes the value either 0 or 1. If it is 0, we can get this one. If it is 1, we can get this one. Now you take these 2. Here 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0 are identical. So this can be written as 0, 1, 0, x. If we put x is equal to 0, we can get this one. And x is equal to 1, we can get this one. Now you take these 2. So here 0 identical and 0, 0 identical. So 0 first coordinate is identical. Then only the varies second coordinate. That is we taken as x 0, 0. Then now you take this one. So first coordinate same 0. Second coordinate varies. So that is x. Then 0, 1. So here last one, here last one, here middle one. So this 0, 0, 0x, then 0x 0 1, 0x 0 1, 0 1 0x, 0 1 0x. So that means here these two second coordinate is x, these two last coordinate is x. That means x2 is x and x4 is x. So combinedly we can write 0 x 0 x, 0 x 0 x. This is 0x 0x because if first x you put 0, what is the answer? 0, 0, 0 x. Put x is equal to 1, we can get 0, 1, 0 x. Now we put the second one, that is 0 x 0 0. Then put x is equal to 1, 0 x 0 1. So we can get the same value. So these four terms combinedly we can write 0x 0x. So this is equal to, what is 0? That is x1 bar x, x3 bar x. So this is for this is for this square. Now we take 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 and 1 0 0 1. But 0 0 0 1, it is common to this line, that is 0 0 1 to 1 0 0 1. This is common to two sections, this section and this section. So we can omit this one, so we take this only. So for this one, so this can be written as 1 0 x 1. But this is 1. So, and the first one, that is x1, this is 0, that is x2 bar x3. So we can, because this total is z is sum of these min terms, therefore z is equal to this x1 bar, we can omit this x, that is x3 bar plus here x1 x2 bar x3. We can omit this x, here also x. So this is our required simplified expression for this z value.